Sarah, this is Abby, and welcome to Azul Unlimited. If you're new here, I'm a scuba instructor, and I moved into my van in 2021 after losing my dive shop in Indonesia due to shutdowns. I've been on the road diving around the US, Canada, and Mexico for the last 2 years, teaching on YouTube along the way. All right, let's get into the video.
Hola, buenos días.
¿Para dónde va?
Cabo San Lucas. Vamos. Ya estamos en Mexico, Abby.
Take the exit onto Mex 1D toward Ensenada.
Yes, ma'am. I'm in Rosarito, and I was hoping, I'm actually parked outside of a Patty Dive Center, so I was hoping to get some information about diving around here, but they're not open. I guess I'm just too early. No one's actually here from the dive shop, but there were some people in the office.
Hello, Miss Abby. You want to say hi? Hello.
That's not very comfortable, sorry. They said they don't go diving here in Rosarito. They go to Ensenada, and it's a shore dive. So I'm just gonna go to Ensenada. I spy a dive flag. Seem to not be having very good luck. Nobody's at this shop either. The shop looks official though. I've written to them on WhatsApp. We'll see. Oh, I am starving. I'm coming in to cuddle. Got a little Abby butt here. Sweet thing. I drove like a mad woman to get to Mexico. It feels so nice. This campsite is really basic. It costs 150 pesos a night. There are cold showers and toilets, a little bit of electricity. I do have a picnic table. I spent yesterday just working, so it was nice to have somewhere to sit outside. It's like, oh, my light went out. I guess it's time to get up. Tried to book some guided dives. Didn't happen. And I've just kind of decided that I'm gonna go exploring myself. I know that the coastline is a little bit complicated. If there's something worth diving, I will get in the water. But first, coffee. Oh geez. Abby, where are you? There you are. I know I'm coming. I'm coming. You didn't get into anything gross, did you? All I know is that this completely empties out at low tide. So I'm leaving this area and going to the main side of the Pacific Ocean. I don't know about this. This is where, when you get caught, you pretend you don't speak Spanish. Oops. Waka. That looks extremely diveable, doesn't it? No. No. Vámonos, venga. No buscamos aquí. Okay, new spot. This is the Barco Hundido. Down there is a little wreck right off the shore. And based on photos from the internet, it looks like it's a pretty steep cliff. Again, always with the best shoes for hiking. Yikes. We're getting there. Abby is so killing this. Doing good, baby. Ooh. Oh god, oh god, oh god. So, spiders. Okay. Well, it looks like it could be fun to swim around those wrecks. Getting down that cliff is not the safest thing I could do while being completely alone, so it's a pass from me. We're gonna keep going. What do you think, Abby? Oh goodness. Oh dear. That's a tick. Okay, we're doing tick check after this. Gross. Come here. Let's see here, we got armpits. It'd be rude if they hung out in your butt, huh? I think you're okay. Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, as for me. I'm gonna pray that they're not in my hair, because that's my literal nightmare. Okay, what about the pants? The only thing about wearing big pants, I think we're okay. Okay, now that looks like a dive site. Look at that. How you would get down there with gear? Another question. Okay, there are definitely people down at the beach, so let's check this out. Okay. I think I've done like 4 outfit changes today. I actually put on real shoes. Although it looks pretty, I'm not quite inspired to go back for my freediving gear. All right, I'm on to outfit 15 of the day. I swear most days I don't even get out of my pajamas, but this is just what we're doing. I got in touch with the manager of the dive shop here. There's too many cars driving down the road, spewing up dust all over the place. And I wonder why my van is always so dirty. So arranged for me to go shore diving with an open water course tomorrow. They're gonna do the open water course and I'll do my own thing. In the meantime, I'm in my bathing suit on a dirt road. The beach is that way. I have whatever this is here. And I'm gonna read a book. Gonna find out why most small businesses don't work and what to do about it, because I work too much and apparently that's not sustainable. How I missed this yesterday, but there's a sign on the way out to La Bufadora that says Arbolitos and it has a dive flag. That's the road that I'm on here. Oh sh! Oh sh! Oh sh! I just got water everywhere. Oh, I'm for real not having a good time. Well, this is what it looks like after a rough road. I normally would not have taken a road like that fast, but since I was following somebody, I was holding them up. And now I have a bunch of stuff everywhere and water damage, and I kind of want to cry. I do not feel mentally into it at all right now. I'm gonna take some time to clean up this mess. I'm just gonna do the next thing. love dirt roads. Love. Ah, it's a mess back there. More or less. ¿Qué quieres? Uy. La ballena, oh la ballena. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more.